Hello students, let us start with today's video of designing graph paper using turtle. It's the position of circle, it's position of turtle at the center of the screen, and we have to start designing the lines from this point like this. Suppose we have to design the line this horizontally first of all, and what to do next, then the lines like this means vertical lines and horizontal lines are required. The second target is after 4 lines the color should be different. Suppose first color is red and second is blue, third blue, fourth blue and fifth blue. Means 4 lines should be of blue color and 1 line should be of red color so that we can separate the graphical area. Now what to do now? To move the cursor or turtle at this point, we have to use pen up. In first step, we can set pen up. Then we have to move the turtle at an angle of 180 degree up to this distance. Then we can move the turtle forward up to this distance. Then again moving the turtle right at an angle of 90 degree so that we can move the line towards this direction. Whenever we have to move this line, we have to write the command of pen down. Let us try along with the wordings. First of all, show turtle, then suk dot pen up, then suk dot left at an angle of 180 degree, then suk dot forward, let us say 320. Basically it's moving towards left side. Then suk dot right at an angle of 90 degree, suk dot forward, suppose the distance is 270, then suk dot right at an angle of 90 degree. Basically now we are at the location where we have to draw the line from starting from this point to this point. Suppose it is the turtle screen. Basically we are designing, we are moving from left to right, from top left to the right position. We have to write pen down now, pen down, because we have to draw the line now. Suppose the line length is forward, let us say 640, because if on the one side the length is 320, then 640 is there. Let us try to execute the program. Yes, the line is there. Now you can draw the second line, but before designing second line, we can set all the contents in for loop so that we can design the lines. Let us set all the data in for loop. For I in range, let us say 0 to 50, that the gap is 10, Indentation is required. Like this. And in the last step, we can use pen up and suk dot home, because we have to set again the cursor at original position. This is the error. Okay. Let us execute the program now. One more thing. First distance is 270. Now we have to reduce the distance. Now execute the program. Designing of lines is there. Suppose we have to design more lines with different color. First of all, set the color. For setting of color, we can write colors is equal to array. Suppose first one is red, second one is blue, and third is again blue. Copy and paste the content here. Because other color required are blue, first should be red and 4 lines should be blue. That's why I am writing like this. Suk dot pen color. You can select here color I modulus 5. It gives us the remainder, that is first value, colors. First value means the remainder is 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us try to execute the program, whether the change in color is there or not. All the colors are red. Let us try to change. Basically, divisibility by 10 is there. It means all the colors are red. If I change the value from 10 to 9, then I can change the color because remainder is different now. Let's execute it. Kernel is restarting. First is red, now it's okay. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth is again red. Now it's okay. Now we can change. Restarting the kernel again. Suppose I write here 550. I think it's enough. Let us try to execute the program now. Kernel is restarting. In this way, I can design all the horizontal lines. You can check here. All the horizontal lines are there. First is red and 4 lines are blue, and again red, and again 4 lines of blue color, then again red. It will design all the lines with a gap. In this way you can design all the horizontal lines. Now the target is how to design vertical lines. Let us try to design that. Restart the kernel or close the program. Let us try to write the next code. One for loop more required, suk dot pen up. Now the vertical lines are required, suk dot for loop. You can use for loop for j in range 0 to, let us say, 640. A gap of 9 is required again. And suk dot pen color, you can use I here, so that we can implement the same color conditions. Dot pen color, and inside bracket you can write colors I modulus 5 and suk dot left at an angle of 180 and suk dot forward, let us say 311, because maximum distance is 320. I subtract 9 from that value because I have to draw the vertical lines. Now subtraction of I will be there from vertical line, and suk dot right at an angle of 90 degree, then suk dot forward, let us say 279, because previous the distance was 270. 9 distance is more because I have to start from the upper side. Then suk dot right, previously it was 90 degree because I have to design horizontal line. Now it should be 180 because I have to draw the vertical line. Then suk dot, now pen down is required, pen down, because I have to draw the vertical line after setting the turtle at a particular position. And suk dot forward, now the maximum gap is required here, that is 640. suk dot pen up, then suk dot home, because each time the cursor should be at the starting position. Let us try to execute the program now. Let's check the output. These are the horizontal lines. One line is red and 4 lines blue. All the horizontal lines are there. It will draw all the lines. You can check the implementation of pen up here. The turtle is moving but without drawing anything. When we use pen down, it will draw. You can design many more other practical examples. In this video, basically, you are learning about pen-up, how to use effectively for loop, what is the meaning of pen color, how can we implement different colors, array is there of colors, how to set the different color lines. Basically, I apply one red color and 4 blue colored array so that I can design appropriately. These all are horizontal lines of graphical system. It's almost over. After the completion of these lines, the cursor automatically design the vertical lines of the graphical system. Now it will start vertical. Yes, it's there. First line is blue, first line is red, and 4 lines are blue. These are the vertical lines. Hope you understand and enjoy the videos. Lot of advantages are there in Python language. Code is reduced comparative to other languages also. All the vertical contents are there. It will design with a particular gap because for loop is there. By using for loop, basically we are applying all the contents. Or designing is too much easy. Otherwise, it's very difficult to write the code, copy and paste again and again the content. Difficulty level is reduced basically by the use of for loop. 2 for loops are there basically. One is for horizontal and second is for vertical. Let us repeat again the code while the cursor is designing all the horizontal and vertical lines. Let us repeat the content. First of all, setting of colors is there. Red, blue, 4 times blue is there because 4 lines are required. Then first for loop movement of turtle at an angle of 180 degree. Then forward 320, basically it's moving backward. Then upward setting right at an angle of 90 degree, it means moving upward. Then at a distance of 270 degree, basically we are moving the turtle at the first location, that is top left corner of the screen. Then setting again at an angle of 90 degree, then moving forward. Here pen down is required because you have to draw the horizontal line. Let's check the output. Graph is almost over. Hope you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.